Hello. Going to a physical office seems to be a thing of the past. More businesses are going online. Doctors like myself are offering online consultations until it is safe to meet in person and carry out operations. People in other professions also, like teachers, lawyers, and corporate executives, are also resorting to online conferences. This may be the shape of things to come. Have a aesthetic presence online, one needs to have a very good webcam. Unfortunately, the webcam in most of the laptops is of a poor resolution. So you end up making a compromise on the video quality. Getting a webcam these days is quite difficult. If you look online, you'll find that the prices are very steep and moreover they are not available. So are you going to let the spark and zeal in you just die down? You don't have to. I'm going to show you a method for recording online videos, do a web conference, hold an online consultation with nothing but your phone, camera, and a laptop. You need to download some app from the market. I'm using a paid app called AirDroid. There are other apps available like DroidCam. Basically, what this app does is to connect your phone to your laptop so that the footage in from an iOS or Android device is transferred to a Windows laptop. You can use this webcam footage in your laptop and embedded it in your Zoom or Google meetings. You can also use the same video capture device to record footage in OBS. You can also use this to go online on Twitch, Facebook, YouTube, whatever. What are you waiting for? Let me take. So you can see the connection there. My phone has been mounted on a tripod and it is physically connected to my laptop with a cable. I have a Wi-Fi connection, but this will work even without a Wi-Fi connection. You can see an image on my laptop which is actually coming from my phone camera, and I will show you how to get this webcam footage in OBS now. I have opened up OBS. It is the display capture device in OBS right now, and if I want, I can add a Windows capture, or I can make an online presentation, etc. You may ask me, what is the big deal in recording your phone video onto a laptop? When you can simply record it in your phone itself, edit it. That if you're recording it from the phone, then if you want to edit it properly, incorporate a proper green screen effect, then you may like to use a better editing program like Adobe Premiere. So by this process, you eliminate the unnecessary step of recording and transferring from your phone camera to the laptop. So I hope you enjoy this video, learn from it, and utilize your phone to make more educational content, conduct web meetings, and record more video. You may find it useful to record online classes, conduct online meetings, offer online consultations, and record a talking head video. The possibilities are endless. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, Madras Joint Replacement Center, MJR.